Okay, hello dear friends, good morning, such a beautiful, beautiful morning. And let's do some math together. I got one friend asking about trigonometries, and I do not have worksheets no longer because my son is finishing his study and high school study, so I just do not have the luxury of getting his worksheets. So these are the previous worksheets. Let's just have some fun with it. Okay? Determine if the sequence is arithmetic. If it is, find the common difference and the 52nd term and the explicit formula. So the explicit formula, that part, we can leave it behind later. We will use our brain to process the relationship. Suppose I do not know anything about algebra. Suppose I do not know. Yeah, it is truth actually. The truth is that we do not know anything about formula, about functions. We just see the relationship and figure it out, right? Arithmetic, it means the difference is the same. Let's prove. 26 to 33, the difference is 7. 33 to 40, the difference is 7. And 40 to 47, the difference is 7. 3 sum is good enough for us to prove that this is the arithmetic formula. So one thing we can do, we can write it down. N1 equal to 26. N2, the second term, is 33. And N3 is 40. And N4 is 47. We can keep on writing with the same logic, but we are not doing that for now. So we can figure out the formula. And N2 is actually N2 equal to N1 plus 7. N3 equal to N1. We start from the same number. We always start from the same number. How about that? So N1 equal to N1. N3 equal to N1 plus 14. And N4 equal to N1 plus 21. Right? Each time we add plus, we add 7 more. Now we can figure out N5. After that, we can reason it. N5 equal to N1 plus 28. We can write it another way. N1 plus 4 times 7. 4 and 5, what is the relationship? 5 minus 1 is 4. So we can make the general formula. N any term, n of nth term, equal to the first number, which is 26, plus how many numbers we have, how many times 7 we will make the difference, n minus 1 times 7. So equal to 26 plus, we want to know N52 equal to 23 plus 22 minus 1 is, 52 minus 1 is 51 times 7. Please excuse me if I have some voice difference. The number, I do not say it exactly because I'm focusing on doing, so I did not focus on the vocabulary, right? So 383. So that is our final result. 383. That is the result. Okay? So the formula, we just reason it out, the formula, instead of writing it down. If you need, take a screenshot. This is your way of thinking. Okay, now this one, let's work on this. Is this arithmetic? Now first we see the difference. 5 to negative 15, the difference is negative 20. From the next number to the previous number. From the next number to the previous number is negative 20. From the next number, the following number to the previous number, the difference is negative 20. It's minus negative 20. Okay? It's minus 20. It's minus 20. The difference is negative 20. Okay, now we can write N1 is 5. N2 is 5 minus 20. So N is 5 plus N minus 1, enter, N minus 1 times negative 20 equal to 5 minus 20n. Okay, I will write it another way. 5 negative 20 minus n minus 1 times 20. So now we want to figure out n 52 equal to 5 minus 52 minus 1 times 20 equal to 5 minus 51 times 20 E ling R ling, right? Minus 1 0 20 equal to negative 1 0 1 15. So this is the result for the second problem. Okay, I will move it smaller. You can see. If you need to take a screenshot, here is the screenshot. Ready? Da 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 ta da. Okay, move on. I put it smaller so that you can see clearly. Good. Simplify each expression. So this one, we want to simplify this one. We do it really big so that you can see. Okay, this one equal to, sorry. This one equal to minus 4. So we can put the 4 goes up, right? So 1/5 plus u 20 over u times equal to, goes in 5 times 1, 5 times 4 is 20 over 1 over 20 plus, and this one you can cross cancel, u 5. And that is the result. This one. We need to simplify this one. Let's do it. When you see on the bottom is irrational, the point is to make it rational. First, there is just too many negative numbers. Okay? Question number 5. Answer my question. Okay, do we have enough room? Simplify the expression. Okay, first, what do we do? First, we will take out the m. There are too many m's. So we rewrite the formula on top. That's good enough. We can take out 4m squared. On top is 4m squared times, this takes out 8 m cubed, take out 4m squared, the remainder is, the factor, another factor is 2m minus 1. And whenever I see division, I just don't like it. I change. Flip it upside down when you do the multiplication. So it becomes 2m minus 1 right on the bottom, 4m on top. Now we can do cross cancel, can we? Why cannot? M So the final result is the bottom is becoming only 1. The top becomes 4m. And that is the result. Okay? Okay, now let's move on to the other problem. Question number 6. It is the same thing. I put it large enough for us to see. It is large enough. Good. So first, we will use this is a quadratic function, so we can see if we can separate I will write it here. Okay, I write it here. Okay, you can see it, right? 1 7 3 7 21 6 7 42 Okay, we can do that. 6 7 42 3 6 18 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 6 is 18. And 1 times 7 is 7. And 42 and 3 makes 45. 十字相乘. So we need negative number. So we can dismantle the top into n minus 6 times 7n minus 3. On the bottom is n minus 3 times, and this one we can take out something also, right? We can take out 3n squared times n plus 7 1. Okay, now we can do cross cancel. The together, cross cancel, 7 minus 7n minus 3. And the rest we cannot do anything, so it becomes 3n squared times n plus 7, and the top will be n minus 6. The teacher didn't had a good sleep last night, so it gave us such a gibberish number. It's not a nice teacher. What can we do about it, right? And that is the result. If you need to take a screenshot, do a screenshot. Usually this is okay. Solve each equation. Remember to check for extraneous solution. That we will do. First, what do we do? First, for this question, if the root is the same, we can square on both sides. So 4k minus 2 equal to 8 minus k. So 5k equal to, move this one here, move this one here, equal to 10k equal to 2. Now we need to bring it in to prove. 2, and this is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6, root 6, and this is proof. You do not need to see the detail, and this is root 6, 8 minus 2. So we are right. So this is the result. We can write it down. Good. Okay, now the second question, question number